Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right tools and then remove the strap from the watch head so you can work cleanly. Use the spring bar tool to compress the bar and lift the strap. This prevents scratches and keeps alignment. Next, examine each link for arrows and tiny grooves. Those tell you which direction to push pins. Once done, position the bracelet on a block with arrows pointing down so pins will come out easily when you tap. You now remove links to size the strap. Align the bracelet over the support, then gently tap pins out in the arrow direction. A pin pusher with light, controlled taps prevents bending. Keep each pin and any collars in separate compartments so you don't mix left and right links. Once you remove links, reassemble temporarily and test fit. Make sure you take from both sides of the clasp so watch stays centered. If a screw type, use the correct driver and steady torque. Finish by reinserting pins or screws and securing spring bars. Push pins flush, and for screw links, tighten but avoid over-torquing. Verify clasp alignment and ensure each link moves smoothly so the strap sits comfortably. Once assembled, wear the watch briefly to confirm fit and check for gaps or rattles. Adjust as needed. If a pin is stuck, apply a drop of penetrating oil, back it out slightly, and use a different angle. Make sure to clean and lubricate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.